How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to TikTok directly from your phone gallery. Whether you have pre-edited a video or captured something amazing, I will guide you step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing, open up the TikTok app on your phone. Once you have opened the TikTok app, simply tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen, and this will take you to the video creation page. Now, instead of recording, look at the bottom left corner. As you can see the small photo, simply tap on it, and this will open your phone gallery. Now, browse through your gallery and select the video you want to upload. If you want to upload multiple clips, you can select them in order you want them to appear. And once you are done selecting with the videos, you can simply tap next. After selecting your video, TikTok will take you to its editing tool. Here you can trim your video if it's too long, add music by tapping on sound button on the bottom of screen, use TikTok filters and effects, add text or stickers to make it more engaging. Take your time to customize it to your liking. And once you are done, simply tap next, and this will take you to the posting page. Here you can write a catchy caption, add hashtags to make your video more discoverable, and tag friends if needed. And when everything looks good, hit on the post button and your video will be uploaded and will be visible on your TikTok profile. And there you have it. That's how you can upload a video to TikTok from your phone gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.